Hi, my name is Vanessa. I am going to explain you the parts of the car. This is the bonnet, windscreen with mirror, front wheel, the wheel mirror, engine, steering wheel, ignition, wheel strip, clock, brake, accelerator.
Hi, my name is Joanna and I'm going to explain you how to change a flat tire. First, you have to park the car and put on the handbrake. You have to tie the wheel nuts on the spare tire. To lose the wheel nuts with the wheel brace. You have to remove the wheel nuts and the flat tire. You have to tie the wheel nuts on the spare tire. You have to lower the car using the jack.
I feel so close to you right now. It's a force field.